Well, here we are, we're back. We have our fruit. We have cantaloupes, watermelons, and we've already got set up down there a coconut. And we have another camera down there.
Doing slow-mo.
Doing slow-mo, so we can get some close-up slow-mo footage. And we're gonna see how this MagTech behaves. This is the 4440A that we chronographed at around almost 1150 feet per second. So we're going to shoot this, the MagTech 4440A, 3 shots, 1 at the coconut, 1 at the watermelon, 1 at the cantaloupe. And then we're going to do the same with the 4440Bs and the Cs, just for fun. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is going to be so fun.
We're going to put 1 in here. Okay. 1 is in there. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go through these fast, hopefully, because the sun is starting to go down.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Can I run up there?
Let's go look, yeah.
Oh, I haven't had coconut water in so long.
Well, there it is. Looks like entry hole and probably the exit hole there.
Yeah. Can I see the
It's like Darth Vader's head.
Yeah.
When he took his helmet off. Look at that. Well, that's cool.
Oh, it's like wet inside.
Yeah, there's a lot of water in those coconuts.
Ah!
Oh, that's neat. Well, it didn't explode it like I was expecting it to. All right, let's go set up the cantaloupe now. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go with the cantaloupe. Got your ears on?
There we go.
Oh. Well, I see what happened.
What?
The shell of the coconut held it together.
Yeah.
Because that cantaloupe, that exploded pretty good. Let's go get it and see what the other side looks like. Yeah. Here's the
Cantaloupe.
front side of our cantaloupe. And there's the back side. They just split it right in half. Well, the chickens are going to eat good tonight.
Yeah.
All right, watermelon time.
Ears.
Well,
Oh.
okay. Well, that worked.
Yeah.
That did all right with those. Let's
Let's see what it
we don't need to show that one up close. Let's put up our cantaloupe, or let's put our
coconut number 2.
coconut number 2.
Can I go see if I can get a bite of it?
Go ahead.
That is gross. I want to go get a bite of this and it's all like slimy. Oh.
Coconut number 2, 4440B. These these were the 900 and something feet per second, right? Like low nine.
I think.
Yeah. Okay. But these are 225 grain bullets instead of 200, so they're traveling slower, but they're heavier. So we might see some good.
Remember how last video we tilted it back and after we were doing?
Yes, I've been doing that on each shot. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh. That's for the in half.
Wow, heavier bullets.
I'm gonna go see.
Wow, that heavier bullet made up for a slower velocity. Okay, cantaloupe with the 4440B, which is a 225 grain bullet. Ready?
Whoa.
Okay, watermelon.
The watermelon.
Yeah, those watermelons are fun.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we got our coconut set up, 4440C, which is a 200 grain.
Coconut number 3.
Yep. You ready?
Oh yeah. What went in the pond?
It flung a piece way over there.
Yeah.
This is our cantaloupe with the 4440Cs.
Weird.
Those cantaloupes hold together real well. That
Yeah.
skin must be kind of tough. Okay, watermelon time. Okay,
This is a
here's our last one.
Yeah.
That was cool. Well, what do you think?
That was awesome.
That
Tasty.
is that coconut okay?
Yeah.
I've not had fresh coconut before.
You'd actually think it would taste different than what it tastes like.
Does it taste like it smells? No.
It tastes like it has
Got
It has
some around here.
a small hint of coconut, like what you would think it would taste like, but not that much flavor.
I was surprised the cantaloupe stayed together as well as they did. And I was surprised after seeing how well the cantaloupe stayed together that the watermelons exploded as good as they did.
Thanks for watching another Reloaded Joe video. Please like and subscribe. Over and out.